Sewing was one of the last major hand bookbinding processes to be mechanized. While the first fabric sewing machine was invented in 1846, the first commercially viable book sewing machines were not patented until the 1880s by David McConnell Smythe, founder of the Smythe Corporation. His son Joseph formed a new business to manufacture the National. The Smythes licensed the design from an Italian company. National refers to the style of the mechanism. It was the first book sewing machine with straight needles and could sew at a rate of 50 to 60 signatures per minute, completing one continuous book without stopping. Here you see ABM Operations Manager Madeline Robbins operating a working National, circa 1905, currently on display at the museum. A signature is placed on the saddle. When the operator steps on the treadle, the arm moves forward and needles punch holes in the fold from below. When the saddle reaches the machine, pairs of needles, one threaded, the other hooked, go through the punched holes in the signature. Shuttles inside the saddle grab the threads and bring them over to the hooked needles, which pull them up. Because the operator's focus was on the needles in front of her, making sure that the thread and needles didn't break, factories often stationed a worker, like the young woman in the picture, to periodically cut off a block of sewn books at the back of the machine. The Smythe Corporation and its imitators revolutionized the book manufacturing industry, and even today, machine-sewn books are referred to as Smythe sewn.